Okay, so welcome to the next session in maths. This is for those who are in year 9, 10, and 11, and year 8 as well. So I have done a video on explaining how collecting term works, but we're going to look at exam style questions today. Without wasting much time, we're going to jump right into the questions. Just before I start, can I just say that if you have any topic that you would like me to cover, okay, either to answer questions on or to explain, drop a message in the comment section below and I will definitely be reading and responding to you. So is there any topic you want me to treat in chemistry, physics, biology, math, or even English language? Okay, especially for the GCSE English language. All right, so drop any comments below and I will definitely be responding. I'm reading all comments. Right, so back to today's session. Write the following expression in your simplest form. So I'm going to be flying through all of these questions because most of them are quite easy. Okay. So there's a plus 2a plus 3a. Imagine that there's a 1 written here. Okay, so I'm just going to undo that. Give me 1 second, go back right here. So there's a 1 right next to the a. And like I've said in so many videos that they don't normally write the 1, but the 1 is there. Okay, so I'm just going to take it up. So now what you're doing first is check that all the letters are the same. So there's A, so we are fine. We can just collect our like terms. So we have 1 plus 2 plus 3, and that is 6. So that means we have 6A. So you're looking at it as 1 pencil plus 2 pencils plus 3 pencils, and that gives you 6 pencils. And then the next one, so again, first step, check that all the letters are the same. So you're looking at all the terms. The terms have to be alike for you to be able to collect them together. So B plus B plus B plus B, so we are happy it's all B. And then you look at all the signs, make sure that they are all the same, or if they are different, so if you have a minus sign, then you want to solve accordingly. Okay, so 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3. Okay. So if we add all of that together, we have 15B. Okay, so that's quite easy and straightforward. We're happy with that. One more example again. Check that all the terms are like. So C, 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 so they are all alike. Now we can just go ahead and, in this case, we have all addition, so just add them all together. We have 4 plus 7, which is 11 plus 5, that is 16, plus 2, that is 18. So we end up with 18C. Okay, so again, one more, 9 plus 10 plus 7, and that gives us 19 plus 7, and that is 26I. Okay. Now in this case, we're checking again. All the terms have A in them, which is fine. But here we are subtracting. There's a minus sign there. So 1 minus 2. So we have 1 minus 2 plus 3. Okay. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1 plus 3 is positive 2. Okay. So we end up with positive 2A. And next one. Again, checking that all the terms are the same. So we have B, 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 B in all the terms. But then be mindful of your negative sign. So we'll start with 3 plus 4 plus 5, okay, minus 3. Now all of this part here, 7 plus 5 is 12, minus 3 is 9. So we'll end up with 9B. Okay, next one. So again, in this one, we have A, then there's B and B. So we have two different types of terms here. So we want to be mindful. We'll solve that with the A first. So for the A, this part, we have 1 plus 5 minus 3. Okay, so that's 6 minus 3, and that's equal to 6. So we have 6a. And now we can look at the b part. So we have 4 plus 3, and that gives us 7. So we have positive 7b. So our final answer is 6a plus 7b. Now, because a and b are not like terms, so we can't bring the numbers together to make 13a or 13ab. That will be wrong. Okay, so the terms have to be like for you to be able to bring them together. So you leave your answer as this: 6a plus 7b. Okay. On to the next one. So again, here we have the terms have e, and then there's one that has f. So we'll solve the e part first. So on this side, we have 7 minus 5 plus 4. Okay. So 7 minus 5 is 2, plus 4 is 6. So we have 6e on that side. And then here, I'm just going to circle just so that you notice that there's a negative sign next to the 5f, positive next to the 8f, and positive next to the 2f. So we'll have minus 5, positive 8, positive 2. So minus 5 plus 8 is positive 3, plus 2, positive 5. Okay, so you write positive 5f. Final answer 6e plus 5f. Okay, next question. Guys, please like, share, and subscribe if you've not already done so. Thank you. Okay, so moving on. It says find for the following shapes, write an expression in its simplest form for the perimeter of the shape. So basically, we know the perimeter is adding all the sides together. So the perimeter, it means add all sides together. So we'll do 2x minus 10 for this first side here, and then I'm going to add it to this one here, which is positive x plus 3, and then I'll add it to the next one here, which is positive 2x minus 10, and then I'll add it to this one here, which is positive x plus 3. So we're adding all the sides together. So first thing is to collect then the like terms. So like terms meaning, in this case, all the ones that have x, and then all the ones that are just numbers on their own. So we have 2x plus x. So I've taken this, I've taken this, plus 2x, which is this one here, plus x, which is that one here. And then taking all the numbers. So in this one, there is a negative 10. I've got negative 10. So I've taken that. And there's a positive 3. Positive 3. And then here is a negative 10 again, negative 10, and here is a positive 3. I always advise that you circle the numbers with a sign that is on their left hand side so you don't forget on any of your negative signs. So collecting like terms now, we have 2 plus 1, which is 3, plus 2, which is 5, plus 1, which is 6. So we have 6x. Then minus 10 plus 3 minus 10 plus 3. So that will give us minus 20 plus 6 is minus 14. So our final answer is 6x minus 14. Okay, these type of questions are the ones that you could most likely get in your maybe even foundation maths for GCSE. Right, this is the final question here. So again, we're doing the same thing, looking for the perimeter of that shape. which just means that we add all the sides together. Now, if we take a look, to make it quicker, this side is the same thing as this side, as this side, as this side, as this side, because all the terms are the same, right? So the easier thing to do is to just take one of it, so 2y minus 3, and then count how many sides of that shape we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 sides there. So just multiply by 5 because we've got 5 lots of the same thing, right? Now, if you have 5 lots of the same thing, the number, so you use a bracket to indicate that, okay? And then next thing is to expand your bracket. 5 times whatever is in the bracket. So 5 times 2y is 10y, and 5 times 3 is 5 times minus 3 is minus 15. So our final answer will be 10y minus 15. And if you're not sure, you just want to have a quick look, you see here you have 2y, that's 4y, plus another 2y, that's 6y, plus another 2y, that is 8y, and plus this last one, that is 10y, which corresponds with that, okay? Then we have minus 3, that is minus 6, minus 3, that is minus 9, minus 3, that's minus 12, and minus 3, that's minus 15, which corresponds to what we have here, okay? So that brings us to the end of the session. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.